come up a little short, get a point, but I'm sure you wanted two.
Of course, yeah. We needed 2 points. We got one. Not satisfied with it, so that's it.
When Coach mixed up the lines in the third period, did you get comfortable with your new line mates?
Yeah, I mean it's hockey nowadays, you know. You change the lines when it's not maybe going the way you want it to go, and at least we got that one goal at the end. But not satisfied though. We would need 2.
Coming off the 4-day layoff, what was the message in the room before the game? Take advantage of that and get some fresh legs out there? Or?
I don't think you need to say much. I mean, just look at the board and look at the standings, and you just know how important these games are. So that's the bottom line.